any service within the military, we provide helicopter landing site reconnaissance. We are basically something called an S or a HHS, which is a helicopter handling specialist. That's a link between the ground combat element and the airframe itself. So anything to do with Merlin, could be Chinook, could be Wildcat. To use a variety of weapons, so we've got the C8 DeMarco, which is our short-barreled version first. We also use the Glock 17. We get to use first bit of body armour. It's basically body armour come life jacket, just in case when we're working with aircraft, we can ditch out and basically inflate the life jacket if needed. Also comes with the STAS bottle as well, and we can utilise the oxygen bottles to give ourselves a little bit more time to get out of the aircraft if we are underwater. Also, we get to use the Ops Corps helmet, mainly because we're maritime troops. It's a bit better than the Virtus helmet, just the fact it's lighter, and it's handy when utilising it with an aircraft as well. We also have the C8 DeMarco long barrel version. The longer barrel means that it's better for field work, pretty good to be fair.
Thanks for watching. For more from Forces News, like and subscribe to our channel.